Alright, I think I have something cool to show here. I have the Sonofox sampler loaded here in in Reaper, and well, I can play it, and it has 2 round robins and 3 velocities, and I'm going to export this, all the velocities and round robins from the Sonofox sampler into Contact as quickly as I can. So my first step is going to be to generate all the MIDI data that I need in order to get the instrument, and all these takes are appropriately named, and there are 3 velocities in here. Then I can just render out these audio files. Now I already had them, but I'll just overwrite them. And as you can see, the samples are being generated here. And now I also have Contact loaded here in Reaper. So this is going to be the Contact instance where I'm going to create a new instrument. And then using the creator tools, I'm going to run a Lua script here, which will move all the samples into the correct file formatting and folder structure. And then I can push the instrument into the Contact, and here it is. Now to show that I can actually play this. Now there's going to be one thing wrong with it. The samples don't play their full length. Now there is a function for this in Lua, but somehow it doesn't communicate the proper loop settings into the instrument. So I have to select all the samples here, open the wave editor, enable the loop, set it to 1 shot, and then copy this to all the zones. And then once this is done, well, just to show you, this is now playing in Contact. Now there is a lot more I can do with this. This is just the start of it. This is just an initial experiment. This works based on a settings file, which I can try to show to you. Here it is. So as you can see, I can configure the velocities here, all the notes I want to play, the name of the articulation, and a bunch of other settings that I'm still working out and experimenting with. But as you can see, you can pretty quickly get all the samples at least into Contact, and then from here you can start refining. It is also possible to attach a script automatically, of course, through the creator tools. So a few days ago I actually had a round robin script working automatically as well, but I adjusted some things, so I have to re-implement that. Basically the only thing that is going to be a little bit trickier and that I haven't really thought about too much yet is like doing legato sampling automatically. But everything else, all the short notes, staccatos, piccados, or percussion instruments, or even, you know, trills, runs, pre-recorded runs, that kind of thing, it should all be possible to resample. And my basic idea was just, well, you have a DAW like Reaper where you can program all these MIDI events, and so long as you name them correctly, you can get all the samples out. As you can see, it happened pretty quickly. Then it's just a matter of using the creator tools to create the instrument. And, you know, if you can give a couple of options to a user about how they want to create the instrument, how things should map, is it chromatically sampled or not, that kind of thing. And, well, then you can get an instrument pretty quickly. So, yeah, I thought it was worth showing, and I'll work some more on this and then maybe release it.